There's nothing more exciting than a sparkle of chrome, like on the beat band with the clear glass dome. And there's a place downtown where you can hear a rock. You can browse all night and really have a ball at the custom car show. It's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than a custom car show. Custom car show. Well, you walk through the door and you look at the floor. There's chocos and dough fees all over the floor. The band was just playing up on the stand. They were the biggest band in the land. They were playing at the custom car show. Yeah, it's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than the custom car show. The juice good goodies and the surfing hoodies and the custom car show. A guitar well is a real trail. The drum was really thumping and the kids are all stomping. I'm sure they're ready to go. Everybody here, the custom car show. It's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than the custom car show. There's a big boss band at the custom car show. Here we go. The drum was really thumping, the keys are really stomping. Everybody here, well, they're ready to go. I'm sure glad that I came to this rock and roll custom car show. Yeah, well, it's a custom car show. Yeah, 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 the custom car show. Yeah, well, it's a custom car show. I got a lot of friends around the town that are always blue. 'Cause on a Saturday night, well, there ain't never nothing to do. They usually end up jumping in our cars, heading down the street in the parking lot. Oh, yeah. The kids don't know that the cruising is a thing to do. Saturday night when there ain't never nothing to do. We'll drop our change in a biggie bank. Use a car with the gas in the tank. I don't care where that road will go. Looking out the window at the show. Another plot around the bend. I can't wait to see the end, and then it starts all over again. Cruising This is one of the rare special occasions when we perform this song. I will not allow this song as a rule in general, but this is a special occasion. We'll all sing along and it'll be fine. We'll get through it together. Featuring Mr. Gary Griffin
On the keyboard.
co-star of Full House. When some loud bragger tries to put me down and says his school is great, I tell him run away. Now what's the matter, buddy? Ain't you heard of my school? It is number one in the state.
Top in the world!
So be true to your school, just like you would to your curly guys. So be true to your school. Let your colors fly. Be true to your school. I got a nervous sweater with a letter in front. I got the football track. I'm proud to wear it now when I cruise around the other parts of the town. I got my $2 bag. And be true to your school. Just like you would to your curly guys. Be true to your school. Let your colors fly. Be true to your school. Friday we'll be jacked up at the football game and we'll be ready to fight. We're gonna smash them now. My crew will be working on her pom-poms now. They should be yelling tonight. Be true to your school, just like you would to your curly guys. Be true to your school. Now let your colors fly. Be true to your school. More exciting than the sparkle of chrome, like on the beat band with the clear glass dome. And there's a place downtown where you can hear the rock. You can browse all night and really have a ball at the custom car show. It's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than the custom car show. If the moon is ever just good, at the custom car show. Well, you walk through the door and you look at the floor. There's chocos and dofies all over the floor. The band was just playing up on the stand. They were the best band in the land. They were playing at the custom car show. Yeah, it's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than the custom car show. The juice good is ever surfing when he's at the custom car show. A guitar well is a river trail. The drum was really thumping and the kids are all stomping. I'm sure man. Everybody here, where they're ready to go. I'm sure glad that I came to this rock and roll custom car show. Yeah, well, it's a custom car show. Yeah, 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 the custom car show. Yeah, well, it's a custom car show.
Mr. Garrett, you're doing fine.
Do you